Hello, all. Welcome to Why Speaking. We all know that Ramayana is one of the greatest epics in history from India and is written by sage Valmiki first. But it is also said that one more Ramayana was written by the Ram devotee Hanuman himself, which came to be known as Hanuman Ramayana. It is also said that it has the distinction of being the first Ramayana. Hanuman himself threw his Ramayana into the sea. Why is that? Let's get into the video to find out about the same. According to the legend, the first Ramayana was written by Hanuman and he also wrote it with his fingernails on a rock. This Ramayana was written even before Valmiki's Ramayana. After the victory of Rama over Ramayana and when Lord Rama started ruling Ayodhya, Hanuman went to Himalayas to continue his worship of Lord Rama. There, during his penance for Lord Shiva, he used to write the story of Ramayana on a rock daily with his nails, recording every detail of Rama's deeds. In this way, he composed Hanuman Ramayana, mentioning the glory of Lord Sri Ram. It is said that after some time, Maharishi Valmiki also wrote Valmiki Ramayana, and after he had completed writing, he wished to dedicate it to Lord Shiva by showing it to him. He took his Ramayana to Mount Kailash, which is the abode for Lord Shiva. When Maharishi Valmiki visited him to show him his own version of Ramayana, he saw Hanuman's version and became very disappointed. He found that Hanuman's Ramayana is far more superior and better than his own Ramayana. He was afraid that if the world comes to know about Hanuman's Ramayana, then no one will even notice and praise his version of Ramayana. He also thought that it would tarnish his own reputation. After seeing Valmiki's disappointment and sorrow, Hanuman inquired him for the reason. Valmiki then revealed the reason about Hanuman's superior Ramayana and said that he has the fear that his Ramayana would get neglected. Immediately, Hanuman looked at the rock where he had inscribed his own version of Ramayana and, without second thoughts, he uprooted the entire mountain containing his Ramayana and moved at a lightning speed to the nearest ocean and sunk the mountain in the ocean. Valmiki was dumbstruck by seeing this. He asked Hanuman to pardon his act of selfish thought and persuaded Hanuman to bring back his Hanuman Ramayana, but to no avail. Some also say that Lord Hanuman wrote his own version of Ramayana on several broad leaves of the banana tree, and Hanuman simply tore away all 7 banana leaves on which he had inscribed his Ramayana. Hanuman then said to Valmiki that from then the world will only come to know about Valmiki's version of Ramayana and not his. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give a likes, comments, and dislikes, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya.